In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so the interface switches to a comfortable dark theme that's easier on your eyes, especially at night. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Gemini website at gemini.google.com/app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, and then you'll see the main Gemini Workspace. Give the page a second to fully load so all menu items appear as expected. Next, look for the Settings and Help option. On desktop, you'll typically find this labeled entry alongside a small gear icon. Depending on your screen size and layout, it may appear in the left sidebar near the bottom or in the upper corner of the page. Click Settings and Help to open the settings panel. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the sidebar or hovering your cursor near the navigation area so all options become visible. Inside the settings panel, find and select Theme. This is the place where you control how Gemini looks. Think of Theme as the appearance switchboard. It determines whether the interface uses a light background, a dark background, or follows your device's preference. Now choose Dark to enable dark mode. The change should apply instantly across the Gemini interface. Backgrounds will turn darker, text will appear lighter, and the overall contrast will be adjusted for low light comfort. Many people find this reduces eye strain, and on devices with OLED screens, it can also help conserve a bit of battery life. If at any point you prefer the brighter look again, you can return to the same theme section and pick Light. There's also an option that follows your device's default, which can automatically switch between light and dark if your operating system is set to do that, but selecting dark ensures Gemini stays dark regardless of your system setting. A quick tip: if the theme option doesn't appear immediately or the interface doesn't update, refresh the page and make sure your browser is up to date. Also, try widening your browser window so the full menu layout is shown. And that's it. Go to the Gemini site, open Settings and Help, click Theme, and select Dark. Your preference is saved, so the next time you visit, Gemini will remember your dark mode setting. Enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience day or night.